Hey guys, so today's video I was not planning on making. I had no idea I was getting this in the mail. Got another BOXYCHARM in the mail, and I don't know, I opened it up and thought maybe, oh, they mistakenly sent me two of the same one, but no, they didn't. This is another variation. So I'm gonna make a video and show you guys another variation of the February 2019 BOXYCHARM. If you haven't seen my first video, I'll link that down below. But yeah, I don't know why I got two boxes this month, but I'm excited because there's different things in this box. Okay, so the first variation that I got was variation number 1. This is variation number 3. The theme for this month is Afterglow. I'm just gonna show you guys the repeat products first. The first repeat product is the Touch in Sol No Porblem Primer. This retails for $18. Have two of them, so I'm probably gonna give one away. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I'll do a giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned. The next repeat product that I got is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I have 3 of them now, so I will definitely be doing a giveaway for that. Mascara retails for $24. The last 3 products are not repeat products. First is this lip crayon from Tristique. This is a prime and glaze lip crayon. It's a 2-in-1 lip I'm trying to make this video while my girl's eating lunch, so I'm trying to like hurry it. Okay, it's a 2-in-1 lip duo. It features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. Retails for $25. That's the color right there. And then, oh, there's the primer. That's cute. This is from Pharmacy. This is the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. This retails for $22. Soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleaner was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. Interesting. There's that. All right, and the last product is from Pretty Vulgar. This is the highlighter in Shimmering Swan. Glimmers of BS. What? Shimmering Swan, Glimmers of BS. That's what it says in the back. Yeah, Shimmering Swan highlighter retails for $32. Pretty Vulgar has really pretty packaging. Let's see. I mean, it's all right. Nothing like too crazy pretty. All right, so that was everything that I got in my other BOXYCHARM for the month of February. Yeah, super weird that they sent me 2 boxes. I don't know. I mean, I'm not complaining. I was just not expecting it. But I will be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara and this Touch in Sol primer to someone. So what are you gonna do? How about you just comment down below and say, hey, I want to win it. Yeah, I'll choose a winner randomly. I don't know, have all the info down below. And yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys what I got in my second BOXYCHARM. That's it for this video. If you guys are interested in signing up for BOXYCHARM, I'll have a link down below. I will have all the rules for the giveaway down below. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.